Hey guys, my name's Alex, a field technician here at Clean-Flo International. We're out at Somerset Lake taking out a competitor system and actually replacing it with one of ours. This is going to be a couple-day process. Today we're just pulling the compressors out, and the next couple days, next week or two, we're going to get in one of our compressors, and we already put our diffusers in there. We're going to give it a nice scan, see what the bottom looks like, and hopefully everything works out pretty well. I took a couple drone shots, you'll be able to see those, and let's take a look at the system. As you can see, we took all the compressors out. They're actually in the back of the truck now. So, out with the old. Good early morning to everybody. You can tell it's early because not all the lights are on. We are going back to Somerset Lake for day 2 of replacing the old aeration system that was in there. We have the new compressor set up in the truck ready to be taken. Actually, I'm gonna show you what we took out and why it's not as good as what we are installing today. So let's do that real quick. Here we have one of our competitor systems. As you can see, there's 4 of these things, so that means a couple things, and one of them is it draws more electricity than what we're putting in. Actually, these are our filter systems, but these pumps are also destroyed. You can tell it's melted because of all the heat that's built up. So we got everything installed. It's not running yet. We're waiting on the electricians to come finish hooking up the compressor. But everything went well. We trenched, we put in a new box, new manifolds, and hopefully when it runs, it's gonna have some great muck reduction. Right now we're just packing up. Only issue with the electric not being done is we're going to come back a 3rd day, but that could be really nice because we'll be able to get some really nice drone shots of this really nice body of water. What's up, everyone? It's day 3 out at Somerset Lake in Kennett Square, PA. We finally got everything set up. The electricians came in the other day, hooked everything up. So today's startup day, finally. David's out there right now. He's actually taking percentage of oxygen all the way down to the bottom, so that'll tell us if there's good oxygen throughout the whole water column. But other than that, let's see what we got. So we have the system running behind me finally. We've got our new manifold in the ground with our valves. And we've got our new diffusers in there. So this is officially a 100% Clean-Flo aerated lake. And if you look behind me, you can see one of the diffusers right there. Thanks for watching. Tune in on the next job.